Have you received the invitation for UModeler X? Now, let's install UModeler X. Access the UModeler X Early Access webpage. Download the UModeler Hub package from the Getting Started page. Create a Unity project and drag and drop the downloaded UModeler Hub package file into the project window. When the import window opens, click the Import button on the right and wait a moment for the installation to complete. When the installation is complete, the UModeler Hub window will pop up. If you close the window, you can reopen it by clicking the UModeler logo icon at the top of the scene view. If you enter the email you were invited with, you will be taken to a window to create an account. Enter your password, username, full name, select your country, and check the boxes at the bottom to enable the Create a UModeler ID button. A verification email is initially sent to the invited email address. Verify by opening the email sent by UModeler from your mailbox. When you return to Unity, the registration process is complete, and the password input window for login is activated. Enter the password you created to log in. When the login is complete, you can see the button to install the UModeler X product in the All Products tab. Press the Install button and wait for a moment, and UModeler X will be installed. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will be deactivated, and you will see that the icons at the top of the scene view have increased to 3. You can create a new UModeler X object via the middle button among the icons at the top of the scene view. With the UModeler X tool, you can easily create or modify 3D models.